Hello, it's Garemore, and today I want to show you how I created a shortcut to Siri. First, you want to make a recording saying the activation phrase. Yours will probably be, "Hey Siri."
Hey Shannon.
You could just use the recording itself as a shortcut if you wanted to. And you want to click this, and then save to the files. Then you want to go to the shortcut app. And you want to create a new shortcut. You're going to want to set the volume to the maximum. And then you want to go to these. You want to add this. Add the file you had. And then you're going to play the sound. And then we're going to activate the shortcut.
Hey Shannon. Hey Shannon.
This time it's not activating. I made this middle part here, the Shannon logo, the shortcut button.
Hey Shannon. Hey Shannon. Hey Shannon.
Depending on what surface the iPhone is on at the time, it may not work. So let's move it somewhere else and see if it works.
Hey Shannon.
And that shortcut worked. Let's try this again.
Hey Shannon. Hey Shannon.
That's the sound of success. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow me on social media. Support me by buying from my stores. All of those links are in the description. Goodbye.
Hey Shannon.
Thought you would activate there.
Hey Shannon. Hey Shannon. Hey Shannon. Hey Shannon. Hey Shannon.